Renter's insurance is essential for protecting personal belongings and liability while renting. Here's how TenantCloud can help. 1. Purchase renter's insurance directly in TenantCloud. 2. Stay covered with affordable low-cost rates. 3. Provide immediate proof of coverage. How tenants can get started. 1. Log into your TenantCloud account and select your lease. Click the View button and then click Get Insurance. 2. Press the Get a Quote button and provide the necessary information to start your insurance quote. 3. Set a policy start date. You can extend this date for up to 80 days. Click Next to proceed. 4. Review your policy and endorsements. You can add extra coverage here, such as water sewer backup if you'd like. 5. Next, enter your payment details, billing address, and where you'd like your paperwork sent. That's it. Follow up with the instructions to ensure your insurance coverage went through. We're partnered with affordable insurance providers to give tenants a better, easier option. Ready for worry-free renting? Purchase TenantCloud's renter's insurance for less than many streaming service subscriptions.